and I feel it kind of numbing in a way. I don't know if it's just me. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all good. So today I'm going to be doing another Ioni Dollar Tree review. Yes, I am finding some products every now and then, so this is another one and I'm going to show you what I got. So I got the Ioni Crystal Lip Gloss and it looks like this. I also got the Ioni Mascara Gwen Bold and Intense Color, Long Lasting, No Clumping, and it is a blue mascara. I also found this Volumizing Mascara, Color Mascara, Waterproof, Bold, Intense Color, Ioni Paraben Free, and it says Persian Purple, and it looks like this. And last but not least, I found the Pencil Eyeliner Crayon Eyeliner Gal, Waterproof, No Parabens, Precise Black, Ioni Pencil Eyeliner Black, and it looks like this. I'm going to go ahead and unbox them one by one. So I'm going to start with the Crystal Lip Gloss. The mascara. Oh, I ripped it. Purple mascara. And the eyeliner. So now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to apply it to my face and see how it goes. Since I am going to be doing the reviews on the mascaras, I need to curl my eyelashes. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. I'm going to apply the blue on one eye and the purple on the other. I'm going to see how this looks. Ew. Can you see that? What is this? The mascara. The one just looks good. This looks very clumpy. Oh. I like that. Oh, I thought it was going to be like the other ones that I have found before, but wait, is this a push? So this looks like this. Push. Oh, it's not a push one. I broke the end. So I guess you just sharpen it. But it seems like this kind of like plastic thing, so I don't know what to do with it. You see, it looks like plastic instead of like the actual eyeliner thing. I'm gonna go ahead and try and twist it up. See if that works. Nothing's happening. Draw precise lines or smudge them for a smokier feel. Apply to lash line and let set for 30 to 60 seconds for all day waterproof wear. So that's all it says in the box, but it doesn't say like sharpen it or whatnot. So I'm going to go ahead and apply this. And if I need to sharpen it, I'm going to go ahead and sharpen it and see how it goes. Oh, I did twice. Whoa. It broke and it made a big mess. I cleaned it up from the end, but now the thing is that I need to sharpen it, and I'm gonna see if it actually sharpens. I'm gonna try and sharpen this. It does seem like plastic, not even like the pencil itself, but oh, it's sharpening really good. I just sharpened it and I literally touched it a little and it broke. That is not what I want, Ioni. At least this looks really smooth and cute. Really, Ioni? I'm gonna sharpen it just a tiny bit, like that. I don't know why it So I'm gonna try and do the same thing that I did to my other eye. Try and like drag it like with my little trick. Okay, it's a little bit more this way than the other one, but let's work with this one. So I don't know if you guys can see that. It smudges really bad. So what I'm gonna try and do is get a brush. Just go with this. So I'm gonna do this eye differently from this one. It does say that you need to let it sit a little bit and then drag it like in a smoky kind of line. So I'm gonna get this brush and I'm gonna try and smoke it out. So it is smoking out like it says it is on the box. Let's go ahead with the blue. Ooh. So the blue does come out very clumpy. It's like very, very clumpy, but I'm gonna go ahead and work with this. Looks like it has like little hairs. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's weird. It smells like paint with mascara. It really does smell like paint mixed with mascara. So it's going on, but it gives like those kind of like chunky pieces. Now I'm gonna go ahead and apply the purple one on my other eye. Both of the mascaras have like this kind of like hair thing that comes out of it. I don't know if it's the product itself. Yes, it is. It's a product. Okay, close up again. So immediately I can tell you that the blue one had more pigment. It shows up more than this one. This one you can barely see a little bit of purple. I don't know if you guys can see it on the camera. I'm gonna try and get some more product in here. I'm gonna go ahead and try the lip gloss. So just with a little squeeze, a lot comes out, guys. I don't know if you guys can see that. Smells a little bit like vanilla. Ooh. Okay, this is going all over the place. So this feels a little bit like water, like a watered down lip gloss. And it has the smell like vanilla. So it's not staying put like many lip glosses. It's kind of running down. I can feel it. I don't know if you guys can see it. I'm trying to put a little bit more. So this is definitely running. No, Ioni, come on. Okay. I'm gonna have to, it's inside my mouth now. Okay, I'm just gonna wipe it down a little bit and continue the review for you guys. I had it inside my mouth. That's weird. That's really weird, guys. So it went inside my mouth. It's like watery and I feel it kind of numbing in a way. I don't know if it's just me. I'm gonna go ahead and take it off. I'll be right back because I'm not feeling what's going on. I'll be right back. So guys, the lip gloss felt very numbing on my tongue and on my lips. I had to take it off immediately, so it's a no for me. But let me see what it has. I don't know what is it about the ingredients that it made me like feel that way. I really don't know what happened with this lip gloss, guys. I can hold it, this and that, but once I started like getting the product and applying it to my lip, first and foremost, it started very watery. It started running down. But then it went inside my mouth and it numbed my lips a little bit and my tongue. So I don't know if it's a reaction that I'm having to the ingredients in here. I'm in no way shading Ioni, but this is my review on how I feel with these products. You guys can go ahead and try them, go buy them, do whatever you want. but I'm just making this review based on what I feel and how I feel. So this is enough for me. It made me feel really, really bad. So sorry. Now let's get back to the rest of it. So now that we have the lip gloss out of the way, I'm gonna zoom in a little bit with you guys. So now the purple's showing up, and it's showing up really pretty. Of course, I need to like make my eyelashes a little bit more curly so you guys can go ahead and see them. Same with the blue. The eyeliner, I like how it feels. I like how you can smudge it and make it kind of smoky. It says it in the box as well. The things that I don't like about this eyeliner is that, I don't know, like the material of the eyeliner, it makes it a little bit, I don't know, like the feeling of it, I don't like it. This looks like plastic, but it sharpens like pencil. I don't like that. The other thing I didn't like is that it breaks super easy. So quickly, I'm just gonna touch it and it breaks so easy. So I don't like that. Oops, sorry. But I do like that it smudges. So would I use this again? Probably. What would I rate it out of 5? Out of 5, I would rate it a 2. Lip gloss, out of 5, I would rate it a 0. The mascaras I like. I like the colors, and I like that you can apply as many coats as you'd like. For the purple, you do have to put a little bit more than 3 coats so the purple can show up really well. If not, it won't really show. The blue, it shows up immediately on the first one, so it just depends how many coats you want to put. But I really like these. They do have a paint / mascara scent to it, but once you apply it, it's gone. It's only when you're applying it. The packaging is very cute. So out of 5, I would rate these a 5. So you guys, that's it. I hope you guys like this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. And if you have, thank you so much. I really hope you guys have a good evening, morning, night, wherever you're at. And until next time, bye guys.